Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I set up my bullet journal for the year 2023, and this is a journal I bound myself using French link stitch binding. I used some A5 size paper and then folded it in half. So I'm going to begin by writing my name on the first page. Here I'm using some watercolors to paint some flowers and leaves to add a little bit of decor, and this is the type of watercolor design that I'm going to do throughout my yearly setup. Here I'm using my gold marker to add some final details, and here we have the completed page. Now for the cover page of the year, I just used my stamps, and now I'm going to paint everything in. I've already outlined what I want the design to be like. Here I just erased off the pencil lines, and now I'm just going to add some final details using these three colors, which I'm going to use throughout the entire setup. Here I'm making the page for the key that I'm going to use in my bullet journal. Next, I'm going to write the word of the year. And on this page I'm going to start with my future log. And here I'm making a gratitude log. And here I've added this new spread in my bullet journal. It's the 2023 bingo, and I'm going to write down 23 things that I want to accomplish in this year. And here is the final flip through. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel if you like such content. Thank you for watching.